What's up, day traders, stock traders, investors? This deck stocks here for to do a little quick review of the stock KBIO. As you can see, you see a big spike right here. The stock spiked it from $2 to a high of $19.89 in after hours. So basically what happened, before I left my desk, this stock was trading at $2. So when I came back home around 5, 6 p.m., the stock was trading at $15 in after hours. So after that, the stock went on up to a high of $19.89, which is crazy. I will not be long now. It's too risky. It's already up too high. So what basically made this stock spike that high was an investor named Martin. As you read right here, the company now trades above the 15 mark on Wednesday after hour section after a SEC disclosure from noted biotech investor Martin, revealing he now owns 1.2 million shares, 29% of the shares outstanding. On paper, Martin likely made a return of over 1,000% from the trade, a profit of more than $17 million if he were to sell at the current prices. So basically, he made 1,000% on this stock, which is crazy, 17 million. And that 17 million is went from the stock was trading at $15 and now the stock is at $19. So he probably be at 20 some million now. So, but I hate I missed it. I wish I could have traded these trades like here, make people rich, make people millionaires. So, but if you didn't trade this stock or you didn't get in, don't feel bad. I think it's too late to get in. The stock is too high. You can mess around and lose, blow your whole account trying to chase behind this stock. So I'm thinking it will go up tomorrow open. From the way it's looking, it's still not showing any signs of dropping down quickly. So I wouldn't be short. It's too early. But this will come back down soon. What goes up must come down, and what goes down must come up. So I don't want to get into the stock on the long side because it's too risky. So now I will be looking. We'll keep the stock on my watch list for a short. When it starts showing me signs. So to all the people who out there who are day traders, mad at themselves that they didn't get in the stock, don't be mad. That can be the best thing that happened to you, and not getting in this stock, because you probably would have got in and panicked when it dipped down. Like, say if you got in at 16.66 and it came all the way back down to $13, you would have lost your money because you would have panicked. A lot of traders are known for cut loss quickly, so people would have lost a lot of money just off of this right here, that big old dip right there. So this stock is risky. It's too up. It's already up high. But could this be the next AQXP? Another AQXP? Everybody know what that stock did. Went all the way to $50. But let's take a little quick look at the company profile. So basically they have a 3.84 million float, which is a low float. So basically that explains it all, why the stock is running up high. That's my motive. Find stocks that have a low float because they tend to run. And 382,000 other shares are short. So I know they covered, and I feel bad if they didn't cover. I know a lot of people lost money shorting the stock too early. Lost a lot of money. I mean, big traders. If you go on Twitter, you will see most all the big traders lost money because they shorted it too early. That's why I say this is a risky trade. But if you had got in at $2, you would have banked. But I think that's about it. Remember, trade with your mind. Don't trade just because you think a stock going to go up. Or don't trade if you had a loss of the day and you're trying to regain your money back. But if you do some 9 times out of 10, if you do that, you're gonna lose more money. So we'll be looking forward to what this stock's gonna do tomorrow open. We'll keep it on my watch list. I am not long on this short, not long on this stock, but I wish I was long. I would have made bank off of this. I would have made lots of money off of this trade if I didn't leave my desk. If I was still at my desk and I see this stock spiking with these constantly green candles coming in, I would have got in and got out with a quick profit. But you gotta be ready when these kind of plays come. So just be ready when the next play comes. I mean, it's not the last play. You got other stocks coming, but tomorrow watch level 2, watch time sales, look at the chart, see what it supported, see what the resistance at. See, now we have a resistance of 1989. So I would look market open or pre-market to see will it break that previous high. If it break that previous high, it can go up more, and I might go long, but that's still too risky. But if it having a problem breaking that previous high, I will short. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment. This is Dex Stocks. I'm out.